world order. Sometimes it is referred as world order, sometimes it is referred as new world order. And this term world order, the common masses, either they do not know about it or they do not correctly know about it. But those who know about it, they very well know what world order and new world order means. To make it more convenient or easy for the audience, world order technically is a term, it's a political term which involves the capital economy and the free market of the globe today. It involves the power balance, the army power, the military power of all the countries in the world today. It involves the culture, a culture that has to be propagated and made sure that it exists in every place of the world. And there are few other factors that work with it. Henry Kissinger, this man Henry Kissinger is a very popular American diplomat, and he won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1973. He is considered by the political scholars of the world as the most effective Secretary of State for US administration for the President of the US. This president and the earlier president is considered for the past 50 years to be the most powerful American Secretary of State. And Henry Kissinger has written more than a dozen books. And one of his books is entitled World Order. In this book, on page number 2 and page number 3, Henry Kissinger, he writes that truly, globally, there is no world order. He is expressing that truly speaking, globally, there is no world order. But then, he says that what order comes forward today, whatever is the order, see, there is one order that the government of India passes. There is one order that the government of Pakistan passes. There is one order that the government of China passes. But there is something internationally which every country together with uniformity, they maintain an order, as I said, a free global market, a free economy, a capitalist economy, a power balance. Everyone wants to become militarily powerful today. So all this, Henry Kissinger in his book, he says, World Order, page number 2 and 3, the order that is passed today in the world was arranged and it was devised 400 years ago in a place in Germany called Westphalia in a peace convention. Henry Kissinger, he says, whatever is happening in the world globally today, see, there are a few aspects when the Indian government wants to do something within India, America has no bothering with it, Europe has no bothering with it. But there may be something which Indian government wants to do, and you have the entire European and American media blasting the Indian government and making sure that they become compatible to what Europe or America wants us to do. This kind of a world order. Henry Kissinger, he says that this order which is maintained in our world today was passed 400 years ago, 4 centuries ago, in a place in Germany called Westphalia, where the characters who negotiated an arrangement to pass this order did not even bother to contact other civilizations and continents for whom they were devising the order. Meaning to say, when they were devising a global order, they did not even bother to communicate that we are deciding something for the entire world to other civilizations like the Chinese civilization, the Indian civilization, or any other civilization or power or continent, and they decided that they are going to frame an order for the entire globe. When did this happen according to Henry Kissinger? This happened 400 years back. And what you see as an order today is the order that was devised by the Europeans 400 years ago.